What up everybody, it's your boy Young Fizz and welcome back to another tutorial. We are back inside a Maschine, and today I want to go ahead and show you guys how to fix the sustaining issue with the 808s. So this is more of a user error. If you've run into this error, and you probably will at some point, I want to go ahead and show you guys how to quickly fix that issue here. So let's say, for example, you're jamming out to your record, bar 29. Listen to how the 808 sustains over to verse number 2. I'm gonna go ahead and mute these vocals here, but yeah, go ahead and listen to how the 808 is merging into verse number 2. So you hear how the kick in the 808 just kind of blends together. I don't want it to blend like that. The same thing happens in the outro at bar 53 here. So let's go ahead and play it from here. Hear how it kind of sustains longer than what I wanted to. So I wanted to actually cut as soon as that kick comes in at verse 2. So to do that is really easy. So let's go ahead and make a duplicate of the A1 here. So to do that, you're just going to quickly hit Option, and then you're going to click and drag. And I'm using a Mac here, so that's why I'm hitting Option. And then also what you want to do is delete anything that you're not going to use. So say, for example, we're going to hold down Control, and we're just going to go ahead and click this here, all the sections that we're not using. So we're using that section, so we're going to keep that there. We're not using this section, so I'm just going to quickly delete those there. And then the outro, we're keeping the outro. And then so we don't double it up, we want to go ahead and click what we're not going to be using in the top portion. So we're going to click there, and then we're going to click there. All right. So the next thing that you want to do is make sure you on your sampler mode here. Make sure you're in your sounds tab, sampler, and then you want to go ahead and change the polyphony. And the polyphony, all that refers to is just the notes, how many notes playing at the same time. So you want to make sure that's selected to 1 there, and then you want to go to your pitch envelope, and instead of having 1 shot here, you want to make sure it's on the ADSR, and that just stands for attack, decay, sustain, release. All right, and then also as you're doing these steps, you want to make sure that you're on the sound that you're affecting. So right, for example, I'm on the 808 tab here, so that's why I'm doing all that stuff on the 808. All right, so the next thing that you want to go ahead and do is go to your keyboard mode, and then all this right here, you want to make sure it's sustaining all the way up, because remember, you have your attack, decay, sustain, and release, and all you want to do is just make the notes run into each other purposely. So you can highlight it like that, or you can just hit Control or Command A, and that's going to highlight all of them for you. And then you're just going to drag them all until they're running into each other. And that looks pretty good there. And then this is like over a little bit, so I'm just going to draw that back there. And then that should be good. So the same thing's going to happen with the outro. So I'm just going to go to the outro. All of them are selected. We're going to click and drag so they're all running into each other. I'm just going to draw this back just a little bit. Draw that back a little bit, and then we're pretty much done. So now let's go ahead and listen to at bar number 29 and see how it sounds like. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and listen to the outro. Perfect. And guys, that's how you basically, fix that issue. So now when I'm playing the beat, it's running smoothly right into the next verse. So let's go ahead and listen to the verse, the hook into the verse cohesively. So we just saved the engineer a few seconds from fixing our own mistake. So now he doesn't have to, go to Pro Tools and cut that off. You can just bounce it as is and everything. So everything is good. It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button if you like what you just saw. And I want to thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.